In this video, I'll be showing you what CJ Dropshipping is. Overall, it's a global leading all-in-one dropshipping solution provider helping people around the world achieve success in e-commerce by offering free sourcing, product supplies, order fulfillment, global logistics, and other services. If we compare it to other platforms, it's like a combination of AliExpress and Oberlo. Dropshippers list or connect products on CJ to their stores, and then CJ is going to draw the orders of their stores and make order fulfillment super easy. They've got a big integration with Shopify. This app was launched in 2020, but it has over 4,400 reviews, and merchants appreciate this app for its comprehensive dropshipping services, including seamless product sourcing, order fulfillment, and tracking, and it's recognized for its exceptional customer support with dedicated agents. So overall, there's no setup fee, no monthly fee, no storage fee, and no minimum orders, and it's a really easy way to dropship. And if we go to the UI here, it looks quite similar to AliExpress, where you can search for different products. You can really easily import this into your store. It's going to give you things such as the product price, the different styles, as well as reviews and tons of photos here. So they really created an all-in-one platform to help with the dropshipping process and one of the hardest parts, which is order fulfillment. In terms of their overall features, they have a variety of products at factory prices, prepared to be listed on your store. They have product and packaging customization for POD and OEM, and it really makes it easy to sync and fulfill as it's going to be very tightly integrated with your Shopify store. They also have efficient local warehouse delivery services for around 2 to 3 days shipping time. The optimized shipping method is automatically applied to every order. You can use the shipping calculation feature to measure shipping costs and shipping methods. You can also easily import product reviews into your stores to add that social proof. I quickly want to say that if you're using CJ Dropshipping and you want a really easy way to calculate your cost of goods sold and see it in overall on how well your Shopify store is doing, that's where our sponsor ProfitCalc comes in. It's very tightly integrated with CJ Dropshipping's API, so you can import those cost of goods sold automatically. Other than that, ProfitCalc is a one-click profit calculator for your Shopify store, and it syncs seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok. So overall, I hope this helped give you an understanding of what CJ Dropshipping is. If you enjoyed this video, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.